Pick up. To lift or collect something or someone. Example, can you pick up the groceries on your way home? Pick out. To choose or select something from a group. Example, she picked out a beautiful dress for the party. Pick on. To tease or bully someone repeatedly. Example, the older kids always pick on him at school. Pick apart. To analyze or criticize something in detail. Example, the teacher picked apart my essay to find every mistake. Pick over. To examine something carefully to select the best parts. Example, shoppers were picking over the sale items for bargains. Pick off. To remove or shoot something one by one. Example, the sniper picked off the enemy soldiers one by one. Pick at. To eat slowly or without interest, or to repeatedly criticize someone. Example, she just picked at her food because she wasn't hungry. Pick through. To search through something carefully. Example, we picked through the old books to find rare editions. Pick up on. To notice or become aware of something. Example, he quickly picked up on the tension in the room. Pick and choose. To select only the best or most desirable things. Example, she picked and chose the best apples from the basket.